Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if for some reason you've got only the battery indicator on the status bar and you'd like to have the exact percentage of the usage of the battery, then all you have to do is to basically enter the settings. Then let's scroll down to find notifications and control center. Then scroll down, find the status bar, and here we've got the battery indicator. After tapping on it, you can see that we've got three different options from which we can choose. Probably you've got this graphical option, so you've got only the indicator. You can set the percentage inside the battery icon, so the option I had previously applied, or next to the battery icon. So I think that this option is the most clear of all, because the percentage is next to the battery icon. It's quite huge and you will be able to easily check the percentage. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.